Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Redmi 13C. And the first thing I want to show you is about the navigation bar, because you can set up some more, like just to go back or open the recent open tabs and so on. You can set up something here. If you long press the back button, then you can open the torch with. And if you long press it again, you close it. Pretty nice, huh? Let me show you how you can set it up. For that, just scroll down here right next to the camera, then tap you on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point home screen, and you need to go almost to the end to the point system navigation, and here check out the button shortcuts. So you can choose what should happen if you long press the back button or the menu button here, the square, or also if you tap some buttons together, then you can set up also an action. Just tap here to maybe to take a screenshot. And that means if I long press now here the recent open tab button, I take a screenshot. Pretty nice, many options. The next feature I want to show you is something for the safety, but I really hope that you will never need it. Especially if you're in some regions on this world, there are some earthquakes sometimes, and the phone is having a warner for that. So if there's an earthquake detected, the phone will warn you. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point safety and emergency. And here's an earthquake alert. So this is automatically already turned on. And you have some instructions and so on. And you have also a demo. And I really recommend to you to check out this first, because if you receive the message, you don't know really what it means. But if you have seen the demo before, you know how it looks like, so that you can immediately react in that situation. Check out the demo. The phone will make a loud noise so that you hear it in any situation, and you will have already here some instructions what to do in that case. And you have on top as well the strength of this earthquake and how far it is. The next feature I want to show you is about the camera, because you have more than one camera. So we have 3 cams, and I want to show you a bit more about. So let's open the camera, and so this is our main cam here, and if you want you can zoom in 2 times like this, or you can even zoom in more if you want. So just pinch in and so on. If you want to go back, just go it on the one, and you have always the main rear cam. But you can do a bit more. For that I need a little bit help here with my friend. So because if you're very close to objects like 2 or 3 centimeters, the camera cannot focus anymore. For that, just open here the arrow, and then you have here the point macros, the one with the flower, and then you enable the macro cam, and then the camera can focus much better, or the macro camera is enabled and it can focus much better if you're very close to objects. So pretty nice to know. With the main camera you can shoot up to 50 megapixels, as it is written here. But you don't shoot pictures by default with the 50 MPs, you just shoot pictures with 12 MPs. If you want to really have the fullest resolution, then you need to swipe here to the right, and just then you will have here the 50 megapixel camera. But there are some disadvantages, because you can't really zoom in at maximum 2 times. Another disadvantage is, so the light conditions should be very well, and you need to hold your cam very steady. So this is pretty important. If you can hear it outside, so this is an airplane, because here's a shore nearby. Okay, you need to hold your hand pretty steady and so on. So really, if you want to squeeze out the maximum of the camera, just go here to the 50 MPs, but you need to have good conditions then. And if you don't have them, just go here to the regular cam, because the pictures will here be a bit more smooth if the conditions are not that good. Let me show you something else for the camera, because you can take a picture as well with your voice. For that, just open the camera and tap here first on the arrow and enable this feature, your voice shutter. And that means whenever you say now cheese, the phone is taking a picture. Have you seen that? One more time. Cheese. Pretty nice. And if you want, you can take also pictures of your screen. So a screenshot. So maybe you're on a website and you see a nice picture, you can just capture it, and then it will be part of your gallery. Let me show you how you can do that. So first of all, we will have 3 ways to take a screenshot. And the first one is with the buttons. So you will need the power button and the well done button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After, you can see directly the preview. One more time, the power button and the well done button just for short together and you're having the screenshot. If you tap now you're on the preview, you have also the chance here with the pen to edit the screenshot. And if you want to crop it, like in our example with the picture from a website, just go here on crop, then crop here the part with the corners. After, just go in the checkbox and don't forget to save it again, and then the edited part will be part of your gallery. So pretty nice. And as I've said, there are other ways also to take a screenshot. So for that, just scroll in here, scroll in a second time, and then you have here the screenshot icon with a scissor in it. Just tap it and you're having a screenshot as well. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. Just take 3 fingers, swipe them across the screen, and you're having a screenshot as well. And if you want, you can record also your screen actions here. For that, you have a built-in screen recorder. Let me show you how you can use it. For that, just scroll in here, scroll down a second time. As we have learned, we will have much more icons here. And one of it is now here, the camera. Okay, then we will have this little toolbar here and we can move it, if you hold it, to any position. Okay, if you have it in a position you want to have, you can easily start the video here on the red button and then this toolbar becomes almost invisible. And now it is recording all our actions here on the screen. If you want to stop the video, just tap once to open the toolbar and one more time again to close it. Okay, what is also nice to know is here the settings wheel on the end here of the list, because here you can set up the video quality, because as higher the video quality is, as more data is required. So think about, because your internal storage is limited. So just tap here on the resolution and take a lower one if you just want to make a simple tutorial for your friends. They don't need the fullest resolution and so on. And as well, the video quality, you can reduce it to a minimum. Or if you want to have it with the best video quality, increase it. If you want to put a video online or something like this. So pretty nice. If you want to close the little toolbar here, just go into X and it is disappeared. But where are the screenshots now? So we will have it in the gallery next to our screenshots. We have done a few here already, as you can see. And here's our screencast. And if you go to the albums, you will have an own folder only for your screenshots and your screen recordings. But the next thing I want to show you is if you're having a bad internet connection. As if you feel that you're having a bad internet connection, then you can check out how many data is going between the phone and the network. Let me show you how you can check out the speed of your connection. For that, just scroll down here, tap then on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point notification and status bar. And here you can enable the connection speed. So, and if you've enabled it, then in front here, also next to the notch, you will see now, the internet speed. So if I'm visiting a website here, you can see now, it is connecting to the internet, and you will see how much data are going between the phone and the network. So sometimes it is good to know, especially if the speed is pretty low. Okay, the next feature I want to show you is about saving energy, because we can squeeze out a bit more from our phone, especially if we have no chance to charge our phone. So there are 2 options. Let me show you a bit more about. So for that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and you will find the first option with the battery. If you just tap it, then we save now energy, and that increases the battery lifetime here with a few percent. What is pretty nice and helpful sometimes. But you can squeeze out a bit more. And for that, let me show you here some nice statistics. For that, go here to the settings wheel. Then you need to go to the point battery here. And actually we are on the battery saving mode. Now we have 30 hours. By the way, if I go to the balanced one, I'm having usually, so if I'm used the basic one, I'm having 24 hours remaining and 28 minutes. So it's depending, by the way, of the usage of your phone. Maybe it's a bit less or more at your phone right now. So the phone is learning how you use the phone, and will give you a remaining time here, just estimated remaining time. Okay, this is the regular remaining time, and as we have learned, if I go to the battery saver here, okay, so we will have now 30 hours and 6 minutes. But if you want to squeeze out the maximum, if you really need it, if you don't have a chance to charge your phone, but if you really need your phone a bit longer, then switch here to the point Ultra Battery Saver. And if you enable this feature, many stuff in the background will turn off, and it is limited to a minimum. Now what I recommend to you is to turn on the location at minimum, and then you will have this limited app home screen here. And as you can see, the screen timeout is pretty fast now, because saving energy as well and so on. And if you want, you can add also here on the plus symbols some more apps and so on. May YouTube go on done and so on. So the app screen is limited, so take care here. And if you're having the chance to charge your phone again, then you can go here to the exit, and then you are back to the regular screen. By the way, this is another desktop, so everything you do there is still remaining on your phone, so nothing will be deleted in the background or something like this. So a pretty nice mode. Let me show you again a bit more about, because if you enable this power saving mode, let's go here on balanced again, because the Ultra Battery Saving mode is having 80 hours, so more than 3 times. You can use your phone more than 3 times longer than with the regular balanced mode. So if you really need, then this mode can save your life one day. And we are almost at the end already, so let me show you here now a pretty nice mode. You will find it here at the camera. It's a virtual assistant. It is called Google Lens, and you will find it here. It's the square with the point in it. Okay, let's open it. So open the camera for, everything is okay. It's just for the first time while using the app. Okay, now Google Lens will tell us some more stuff about things. Maybe I'm having here 50 coins, and I don't know what it is. I can just picture it, and the phone will tell me this is a 5-cent euro coin. So pretty nice. You can hold your phone also on plants, on animals, on buildings, and the phone will tell you more about. So pretty nice. But what I love here as well, you have some more options. And now my book is coming into play here, because if I hold my phone here over the book, and if I swipe now here to translate, the phone is giving me immediately a live translation here of the book, what is pretty nice. It even auto detects the language. I don't have to say this is Germany like in my case. No, it auto detects the language. The only thing you need is an internet connection. Just picture it, and if you want, you can even listen to the text. Pretty okay, I put my phone in silence before.
And played waltz and polka.
Pretty nice. And you can also select the text completely to work later on it if you want to study with and so on. So a pretty nice mode. You can do so much with that. Maybe on your holidays, you can just scan the card there, and you know then what you can order and so on. Pretty nice. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.